Well, when you receive machine, you will have a small table, a pedal, a power supply wheel, water tube, microscope, and you need to prepare a tool to install the microscope. Key switch. This is a microscope connection place, emergency button, touch screen. This screen is 10 inches. Gas nozzle, and this is lamp. You can set the light on by this button. Well, power supply wheel. This is the pump button, pedal, water inlet, water outlet, and this is the gas connection. Install the microscope. Well, connect the pedal. Connect the power supply wire. Connect the water tube. You need to prepare 3 liters water. The water must be pure water. Put the pedal in front of the machine. Turn the emergency button. Turn the switch.
Welcome to use the laser welding machine of our company. I wish you a good mood every day.
Well, this is interface of the machine. Well, if you use the machine at the first time, you need to pump the water from the water bucket to the machine. You can press this button. The machine will absorb from the water tank to the machine. And it will stop automatically when the water is full. Well, after water pumped to the machine, you can give the electricity to the laser. Firstly, you press the power on.
Master, it is being turned on.
Now you can
Please
see
wait for a moment.
there's a charging process here. There are different parameters you can set on the machine: pulse width, current, frequency, support size. And you can set language here. There are different language you can set. Now it's English.
就是这个。
Well, there are 8 different parameters you can set. For example, if you use a parameter which is good at materials, you can save the parameters on the machine. For example, if I set
The
5,
system starts successfully
frequency is
and the
1,
machine is ready.
current 2.
下一个层。
The next time, you see, next time you press 5, the parameters will come out.
这里有编辑。
And you can import a name of the parameters here. Well, you can change the color of the cross on this place. If I set blue, you can see the cross is blue color. And you can set the place of the cross here. You can see it move from to the left side. Okay.
笔记来。
Well, when you receive machine, you can set a 50A and 1 ms and 3 HZ to find the focus. Well, you can put a mantle board on the table and lift the mantle board and down the table to find the focus. You can see now the laser is joined. This is the focus place. Well, you see, there's low laser. Low laser. Only this place have laser. So this distance is focus distance. Now it's focus distance. You can also see on the microscope. Well, now I will introduce the functions of the 4 parameters. If I change the pulse width and the current, the power will be stronger. Well, now you can see it's 1 ms. If I set 5 ms, for example, I set 5 ms. Okay, let's see. You can see the laser is stronger than this one. Okay, now I set back to 1 ms. I set 515 to 100. To 90, you can see it's stronger than this one. It's stronger than this one. You can't press the screen. Okay, let's back. Well, what is frequency? Let's see. Okay, oh, it's 80. 50. Back to 50. Okay, now I set 1. Let's see. You can press the pedal. Press the pedal. You can see. Okay, now I set 5. Okay, 10. 9 is okay. Okay. You can see the laser shoots is more. Well, these 4 parameters you will usually use. Okay, well, sometimes you will meet some problem. For example, if the focus of the camera and the focus of the microscope is not in the same place, how to adjust it? Well, when I push the pedal, it have laser. You can see on the microscope. Right? But the screen is not clear, right? The screen is not clear. You can't see it. So the focus of the microscope and the focus of the camera is not in same place. So how to adjust it? So we can open the shell of the machine and open this acrylic shell, and this is the camera. You can adjust the camera, the ring of the camera, and you can see the screen is clearly. Now, let's make a laser spot. Now, the focus is right. 还不对，差一点。不圆，差一点。Okay. Now you can see the screen and the microscope
这个不对，
focus are same place. Well, you can press the cross if the cross is not on the center, right?
No.
Now you can set it to the center. Well, sorry, forget to introduce the support. Well, the support means, for example, if I change the support,
这个
you can see the support size is different. So why it can control the support size? Because these parameters can change the height of the focus. Well, turn off the machine after use the machine. Press the power button. Turn the switch button. Press the emergency button.
看看
And put the cover on the microscope. Well, this tube, when you weld something, you can arm it to the materials. The argon gas can protect the surface of the metal.